Many people are having cosmetics issue with big pores. This skin problem is particularly manifested at people with oily skin and oily T-zone. Over time, the pores collect grime and dust, and the facial skin has luster deficiency and starts looking uneven. There are various cosmetics products which are specially created for pore tightening, but are not much efficient and usually contain chemicals. In today's article, we are going to present you several natural remedies, which can do wonders for your skin. You will need few simple ingredients, which are incredibly efficient. 1. Lemon juice and egg white. In a bowl, mix 2 egg whites and few drops of lemon juice. Mix until you get thick paste, and then apply it on your face. Let it act for 15-20 minutes. After that, wash your face. This mask is incredibly efficient and will remove all dead skin, extra oil, and it will tighten your pores, as well. 2. Lemon juice and tomato. Take 2 tomatoes and make a puree. Then, add several drops of lemon juice, and stir until you get a thick paste. Apply the resulted paste on your face, particularly on the affected areas. Let it act until it dries, for around 15-20 minutes, and then wash it off. Due to the acid in the lemon and tomato, oil from your face will be completely removed. 3. Cucumber, rosewater and lemon. This incredibly powerful combination is perfect for removing the pores from the skin. First step is to peel the cucumber and leave the fleshy part. Then, take 1 teaspoon rosewater and 3-4 drops of lemon juice. Next step is to spread the mixture on a flimsy and light cloth and apply it on your face. Let it act about 15 minutes until it dries completely. After that, rinse your face. With the help of this combination, your face will be supple and soft, and in same time the pores will be reduced. 4. Lemon juice and pineapple. Mix 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice and few drops of lemon juice. Then, take light cloth and drench it into the mixture, and place it on your face. Let it act about 10 minutes and wash your face. The pineapple contains enzymes, which make it great remedy for shrinking the big pores. The lemon juice acts as astringent due to its acidity. 5. Lemon juice and almond. Take 5 almonds and soak them overnight. The next day in the morning, grind the almonds and prepare a paste. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and blend everything well. Apply the resulted paste and let it act about 20-25 minutes. After that, wash your face and the pores will be significantly reduced.